What's it like commuting? I mean, how have the roads been in your when you've been commuting?
I mean, it's pretty terrible, but I'm a snowboarder, so I'm used to the snow. Like the last time we had a major snowstorm, I wasn't able to go to work, and I actually had to take off. But this is my bus now, so I gotta go.
It's snowing yet again, and you're shoveling. What are your thoughts about more snow?
I'm tired. I'm tired of snow. It's too much now.
So how much, when it snows, how much area do you have to shovel?
From there all the way down. And the street is all bad. I'm living here for 16 years. Nobody come to fix this street.
What this is like again to be commuting in the snow?
Annoying. It makes life hard, you know, trying to get to the ferry, you know, walking through this. Obviously you guys can look around, everything's slippery, almost nothing shoveled right now. I couldn't drive because got an 8-month-old baby at home, so my wife couldn't take me. It's a hassle.
So now you're on foot getting
Yeah.
to the train station.
On foot to the train, which is probably going to be late because of the snow, so I have to wait out in the snow and the cold, miss my ferry, and probably be late to work.
So you're probably hoping that spring is coming soon.
I can't wait.